Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Technical Guru Rupesh. So, in this show, we will discuss about another common and popular concept in operations management that is called quality control. Basically, before we start, let me introduce myself. I am Rupesh Pandey. Basically, I am being mechanical, and I am also a lead auditor of quality management system, a certified auditor of ISO 9001 2015 version, and I am also ASNT NDT level 2 in RTPT, DT, RTPT, and LPT. And if you talk about my experience, I have got a huge experience of around 17 years in the core field as a quality specialist in manufacturing industry. So for more slides on quality, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Technical Guru Rupesh. So let us start. Quality control plays an important part of the overall strategy, how a business manages its quality. And the key thing to remember is there are two main ways of doing that. So basically, we call them the approaches to the quality management. And the key things are quality assurance and quality control. So when we talk about the quality control, then a term appears that is called inspection. And when we talk about the quality assurance part, then the processes comes into the picture. So basically, if we see here, quality control is about inspection, inspecting products and trying to take the defective products out. That is what is called quality control. And in case of quality assurance, it is not basically about the inspection. It is about the business process in place, actually, that assures the quality of the outputs. So if we see the generally people get confused in quality assurance and quality control. Of course, QA and QC that they sound similar, but there are differences. Quality control is about inspection, and quality assurance is about the processes. So, definition of quality control. So, quality control is basically defined as the process of inspecting the products to ensure they meet the required quality standard, and it is a key word. You can see here a keyword has appeared here as an inspecting. So basically, it is a system of maintaining standard in manufactured system by inspecting a sample of the output against the specification. That is how we'll define about the quality control. Next slide here, a quick overview of what do we mean by the word quality control. It is very traditional and popular way of trying to manage the level of product quality that involves the concept of inspecting, trying uh, to check and look out the output as it goes to the production process. So that involves definitely checking and review of the output, and it's basically about the detecting the about the defects. And the main objective of quality control is to detect the defective output rather than allowing it to go out and reach the customer. So that is why you can see I have highlighted here the word detecting. And of course, it is not possible to check all products here during inspection. So for that, we need to follow the sampling plan. So normally this required a kind of sampling. So where you need to follow the sampling plan based on, and this sampling plan is based on the quantity of the raw material or the quantity of any product basically. So sampling plan standard is there. You just follow that, and you can come to know that out of 10 part receipt, how many you need to inspect to accept the whole lot. And having spotted some substandard output product, then you remove it so that it doesn't go to the customer. With too much sampling, inspection, and detection, the quality control becomes a costly process. So we need to take care of the instrument, we need to take care of the process because I have already explained that involving the sampling, inspection, and detection that makes this process a bit costly. So in this slide, we'll discuss about the stages of inspection. So basically, if we see three main points in operations when inspection is used in quality control. The first one is inward inspection, second is in-process inspection, and third is final inspection. So when we say inward inspection, basically here when raw materials are received prior to entering production at incoming stage. This inward inspection is also known as receiving inspection or incoming inspection. Here we need to check the raw material that we receive from our suppliers and based on the quality assurance plan provided to them. So it is better to have control on the outsourced part and the parties so that we can have good control on them. And it is important to establish some kind of processes at their end to reduce the time of inspection at our end. And we should provide them the quality assurance plan. Mutually agreed document should be generated where it should be clearly instructed that how he should handle our parts and which processes he should follow. The second is the in-process inspection. Here, checklist or inspection of the products are going through the production process. So when products are going through the production process or under manufacturing, at this stage, in-process inspection is carried out. Here you need to check the parts which are under manufacturing. That is called in-process manufacturing as the term itself says. Then and finally, you will also check the finished product before they goes to the customer. And when products are finished, that takes place before products are dispatched to the customers. And this is also done referring the quality assurance plan of the customer given to us for this. So this in this way we have discussed here the three stages of inspection. And business benefits. What are the business benefits of quality control? So in this slide, we will learn what are the business benefits of using quality control. That is the reason why so it is widely used. It tries to make sure that the substandard products and services are not fit for the customer needs and expectations are. It tries to stop them from reaching the customer. That is why it is very, very important. And after doing all these things, our customer gets satisfied. Hence, we achieve the result as best customer satisfaction. And that is an important point. And that is as far as business is concerned, because you get the business from the customers. And it applies a consistent standard to the quality. So once if customer has bought your product, then by seeing your quality product, he will ask to deliver you again, or he may purchase from you again. He will not go to your competitor. And, there are of course some issues with quality control inspection, and we'll discuss this. It is important, actually it is very important to maintain the appropriate quality control inspection tools. If you do not maintain good database of inspectors tool with a link to the checklist they have to follow on each product they will inspect, and your company probably messes this up. And we can say the another point you can see here, not calibrating the tools. So there are actually two issues here. If you see this topic, we will discuss about two issues. First, our own quality control inspection tool should be calibrated regularly. You might be able to do this in-house if you have your own standard room or master standards, or you can send it to some external NABL laboratory that should be ISO 17025 certified. And second, the manufacturer's equipment should also be calibrated and maintain the related documentation regarding this, because this would be beneficial for you when you will be audited by your certifying agency. That time it is very, very important. And the third point is the accuracy. We should do a good job by designing a quality control fixtures basically that allow inspectors to check critical to quality points. The term here is critical to quality, C2Q, point quickly. But that is if your inspector has got the QC fixtures, that is only applicable to the products that will have to be checked many times. The very first is to set up the right process control in order to minimize variation in the product attribute. This is what I discussed, that this can be done during inward inspection or receiving inspection also, but that should not be done at our end. That should be done at our supplier's end. So this was the concept. This was an overview of the quality control. So as I am into this field, I have more slides like quality assurance and quality control. What is the difference between that? Then what are the QC tools? And we'll discuss about the 7 QC tools. Then PPAP preparation, that is production part approval process preparation. Then explanation of failure mode and effect analysis, and importance of quality in industries, quality assurance concepts, common questions in quality assurance and quality control, which are being asked during interviews, then quality management system and certifications. What are various type of quality management systems, and what is the importance of those certificates which we have, and various international certifications. But we have a lot more on my channel. So just subscribe to my YouTube channel, Technical Guru Rupesh. You will get more and more there. Just like and subscribe to my channel, and press the notification bell icon also. That's all from my side, and thank you.